Life's not too short. Life is extremely valuable.
I sped up way too fast for blindly driving. And I was doing about 120 kilometers an hour, so flying. And coming across the ice, and I'm like, I'll find him anytime now. I don't know what I was gonna do when I found him, I'd run over him, but kept going, and then all of a sudden, boom, there's an island from me to that desk away. And I remember I let go of the handlebars. I thought, I'm dead. And then I sat up, and I was like, I'm alive, I'm alive. And I looked down, and my left leg was literally grossly deformed, snapped sideways like that. I was like, and I knew right away, I broke my femur.
If it wasn't for the people in this room, Untapped 60 wouldn't have been born. And I wouldn't be standing here. Because of the people in this room, I might have never seen my best friend again.
And I kept crawling, dragging my leg, crawling, dragging my leg. And I laid down again for the second time, and I tried to die. And I laid there and I thought, I can't do this to my mother. I can't do this to my father. I can't do this to my family. I gotta keep fighting. In 2007, when I got to the hospital with these injuries, I was given painkillers. Found out the hard way that it's not that easy. I was addicted to them. Started taking pills. That led to getting arrested.
911, what's your emergency?
It's Mike Laughlin. I've been in a motorcycle accident. I'm on North Shore Road in South Frontenac. Please help me, I think I'm dying.
So as I'm going down, being a firefighter, I'm like, you hit your head, you die. And so if you get anything out of this today, of me talking and telling you my crazy life, it's never give up. Jared and I started doing this. We're trying to spread word and trying to lift people up and give you motivation and inspiration. Guys, thanks for having us here.